another new thing in Zoom, and I definitely need to do a review. So I am going to turn this on. I like to try the new things a lot of times. And it says stay connected with auto framing, which keeps you in view by adjusting your camera as you move. So this will be interesting. My camera is a little bit old. It is a webcam, and maybe I need to download new drivers or something because it's been getting blurry, or I need to just get a new one. But let's try this, turn this on, and let's see here. See what it looks like. Now, will this unmute? There we go. Okay, so take the scarf off. Now, if I move, I don't know if it's, oh, it's zooming in. This would be pretty interesting with a regular camera. Does it zoom in when I'm farther back? Or if I'm moving a little bit off camera, will it move? Now it's moving a little bit. That's interesting. So it's definitely cropping me a little bit more than usual. But yeah, try new things, see if you like it. You can always turn it off. And I definitely need to do a review of what's new in Zoom and in Canva. And oh, it's just zoomed out. So some videos coming to you. Definitely drop a comment below if there's something in particular you would like me to create a video about. My name is Patricia. Thank you for checking this out. There, now I can turn it off.